morning all of you. So if you have seen my last video, then in that I have explained you people how to draw the ABC curve, and there only we have ended the schedule of ABC and the shape of ABC, the diagram of ABC we have done. In that we got the shape of ABC like this. We got this shape. Okay, so today I am going to explain you the schedule, what you people have to write in the schedule of ABC and what you people have to write in the explanation about the shape of ABC. Okay, so I'll continue further what I have done in ABC curve. Okay, so just write down, all of you, write in the above schedule. In the above schedule, we can see that ABC curve, ABC not curve, average variable cost initially is decreasing, average variable cost initially is decreasing, and then after reaching to its lowest point, it starts increasing. After reaching to its lowest point, it starts increasing. Full stop. Then write ABC first falls, ABC first falls up to 4th unit of output, and then start rising from 5th unit onwards. Full stop. This is about the schedule. Okay, if you see the schedule, if you people already have a schedule in your copy because I have given in my last video. Alright, so in the schedule you see first ABC was 40, then it was 38, then it was 34, then it was 33. So it is falling initially up to the 4th unit. Then after 4th unit, means from 5th unit onwards, it starts rising. Is it clear? So this is the explanation of the schedule. Now change the paragraph and then write. From the above diagram, it is clear that the ABC curve slopes downwards, and then it slopes upward. Full stop. When it is sloping downward till 4th unit, it means that it is decreasing. It means that ABC is decreasing. But when it is sloping upward, it means that ABC is increasing. Full stop. Full stop. Then write. Due to this, we got U-shaped. You people have to write this. U dash shaped. Okay. Due to this, we got U-shaped average variable cost curve. U-shaped average variable cost curve. Full stop. Alright? Okay. Now, so you people have understood the shape of average variable cost. What is the shape of average variable cost? It is U-shaped. What is the shape of average fixed cost? It is sloping downwards, because as the level of output is increasing, average fixed cost is decreasing. Alright, now one more question comes. One topic, one very important question in exam, they always ask about average variable cost. So in the topic of average variable cost, let me give you the notes of that question also. So under average variable cost, what shape of average variable cost we got? U-shaped. Average variable cost is U-shaped. So the question under the topic average variable cost, write down why is average ABC curve is U-shaped. Why is ABC curve is U-shaped? This question they ask, okay? Why is ABC curve is U-shaped? This year also this particular question is very important. This question they may give you in 3 marks. They will give you in 3 marks, okay? Now, you try to understand one thing. Try to understand one thing. ABC has 3, means first it is sloping downwards. Suppose if I take your point, OQ means it is sloping downward till here. After that it starts rising. मतलब जो average cost curve है, जो average cost है, average variable cost है firm का, शुरुआत में cost कम होता है, it falls, and then later as the process of production continue, it starts rising. Is it clear why? What is the reason behind it? Okay, then this answer, this is average variable cost curve is U-shaped due to the application of law of variable proportion. Due to the application of law of Q, because of law of variable proportion, because of the application of law of variable proportion, average variable cost curve is U-shaped. Okay, क्योंकि शुरुआत में आपकी कॉस्ट कम हो रही है, आपकी कॉस्ट क्यों कम हो रही है? Why initially your cost is falling? Your cost is falling because of the application of the first stage of law of variable proportion. What is the first stage of the law of variable proportion? Increasing return to variable factor. Increasing return to variable factor. In this what happened? Your average product is rising, your marginal product is rising, your total product is rising under the law of variable proportion. Why rising? We have discussed the causes of the first stage of law of variable proportion. So since your product, मतलब आपकी production, आपको जो output मिल रहा है वो ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है और जो आप cost incur कर रहे हैं, the producer is incurring the cost, that is reducing, means within less cost, producer is able to produce more. Okay, so see, cost is falling. Why cost is falling? Because of the application of the first stage of law of variable proportion. What is the first stage of law of variable proportion? Increasing return to variable factor. And why we got increasing return to variable factor? 2 causes we have done. First, better utilization of the fixed factor. Second, division, specialization and division of labor. So what happened initially? As the producer increases the number of additional labor, the efficiency of each labor is better. Means the efficiency of each labor increases and the fixed factor, that is the machine, is better utilized. Hence, the average cost is falling. So average cost initially is falling, average variable cost initially is falling because of the application of the first stage of the law of variable proportion, that is increasing return to variable factor due to better utilization of fixed factor and specialization and division of labor. So you know the reason कि शुरुआत में average variable cost क्यों decrease हो रहा है? क्योंकि 2 reasons. As the producer is increasing the number of output, number of variable factor on a given amount of fixed factor, then your fixed factor is better utilized, and also the producer is able to introduce specialization and division of labor in the process of production, and that gives producer more output in lesser cost, and that's why average variable cost is falling initially. Now, average variable cost reached to the minimum point, and then it starts increasing. Why it starts increasing? Due to the application of the third stage of the law of variable proportion. What is the third stage of the law of variable proportion? Negative return to variable factor. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Problem of management, mismanagement. Then what happened? Overcrowding. This led to lesser output and more cost, and that's why you see average variable cost is rising. So what is the answer of the question? Why is average variable cost curve is U-shaped? Average variable cost curve is U-shaped due to the application of the law of variable proportion. Is it clear to all of you? So please now write down the answer of this question. So first we have written the explanation of the diagram and schedule of average variable cost. Now write this question, why is ABC curve is U-shaped? Okay, question written, write down the answer. U-shaped of average ABC, you write the short form. U-shape of ABC curve, U-shape of ABC curve is because of the application of the law of variable proportions. Full stop. Then after full stop, now we have to explain two. Then first it is falling and then it is rising. Full stop. So this is your first introduction of the answer to the question, why is ABC curve U-shaped? So you have written U-shaped ABC is because of the application of the law of variable proportion. Full stop. Now change the paragraph. Write down. Initially, ABC curve slopes downwards. Initially, ABC curve slopes downwards, which means that ABC is falling. Which means that ABC is falling. Full stop. ABC is falling. Then after that you write, it is due to the application of the first stage of law of variable proportion, that is increasing return to variable factor. Full stop. Then write down a little bit explanation. So write, initially there is too little of variable input is used. Initially, too little of variable factor is used in comparison with the fixed factor. In comparison with fixed factor. Full stop. As the producer increases the number of variable factor on the given quantity of fixed factor, fixed factor is better utilized. Fixed factor is better utilized, and also the producer is able to apply specialization and division of labor, which lead to decrease in average variable cost, and hence ABC curve slopes downwards. Full stop. So second paragraph, I think it is clear to all of you. Change the paragraph. Then you write, as the producer, third paragraph, as the producer keeps on increasing the number of variable factor on the given quantity of the fixed factor, then the fixed factor become overcrowded, and also the producer faces the problem of mismanagement of the variable factor, which lead to increase in average variable cost, and hence ABC curve starts sloping upward. Full stop. Is it clear to all of you? So this year, this question is very important, children. Okay, they may ask you why is average variable cost is U-shaped. What answer I gave you is the complete answer. You may get this question. Now I have to start the third one of the, we have done AFC, we have done ABC, now we are going to do AC. So write down all of you average cost. Now children, see, I have to do the third one, that is average cost. Okay, now we people have done the meaning of average fixed cost. What is average fixed cost? Per unit cost of fixed factor is called average fixed cost. What is, then we have done average variable cost. What is average variable cost? Per unit cost of variable factor is called average variable cost. What is the formula of average fixed cost? Total fixed cost divided by quantity of output. What is the formula of average variable cost? Total variable cost divided by quantity of output. Fine? Okay. What is AC then? AC is nothing but, here we don't mention variable cost or fixed cost. Here we mention AC, that is average cost, is the per unit cost of production. Per unit cost of production is called average cost. So write down first the meaning of average cost, children. Per unit cost of production, that is per unit cost of production, that is both fixed cost as well as variable cost is called average cost. Full stop. Then write after that, what is the meaning of average cost? Per unit cost of production. That is, what you will write after that is, you will write under bracket. You write, that is both fixed cost and, that is both fixed factor and variable factor. This, okay? So what is the meaning you people have to write of the average cost? Per unit cost of production, then under bracket, that is both fixed factor and variable factor, close the bracket, and then write is called average cost. Is called average cost. Full stop. Okay, so meaning we people have done. Now, formula. What is the formula of AC then? AC is equal to TC upon Q. This is the formula of AC. AC is equal to TC upon total cost upon quantity. Okay, so meaning and formula we people have done. Now we need to do the schedule. Schedule of average cost. Schedule of average cost and diagram of average cost. Is it clear now? You know that average cost can be calculated from total cost. So, first you need total cost, and how you get total cost? When you will add total fixed cost and total variable cost. So, in the schedule of average cost, you need output, you need total fixed cost, you need total variable cost, and when you do TFC plus TVC, you will get TC, and TC will help you to get AC, because what is AC? TC upon Q. TC upon Q. Is it clear to all of you? So we will start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine? Now, TFC value you know, we have taken 120. And I told you to learn the value of TVC. I told you to learn the value of TVC. Okay, what is the value of TVC? 0, 40, 76, 102. 0, 40, 76, 132, 170. Alright. So 170 and the last one is 234. 234. When you add both, then we'll get TC. So what is the value of TC? 120, 160, 196. 120, 160, 196. Then 222, 252. And the last one is 290 and 254. 290 and 254. Okay, so this I told you how to get it. Till here I told you. Now TC we need to get AC. Without TC you cannot calculate AC. But for TC you need TFC, you need TBC. That's why you have written in the schedule of AC TFC value, TBC value and TC value. And this TC value will help you to calculate AC value. What is the formula of AC TC upon Q? So it will be 120 upon 0. So here we write always dash. Second one is 160 upon 1. Third one is 196 upon 2. Fourth one is 222 upon 3. Fourth one is 252 upon 4. Fifth one is 290 upon 5. And sixth one is 354 upon 6. Is it clear to all of you? Now, when you divide, you get the value of AC. So your AC value is 160. This one will be is equal to dash. This is 160. 196 upon 2 is your 98. 222 upon 3 is your 74. 74. Then 252 upon 4 is 63, 58, 59. 63, 58, 59. Is it clear? These are the values of your AC. Now you see. Try to understand the value of AC. AC also initially, because AC is the total of AVC and AFC. Okay? So here you see, first AC, here is dash, then 160, then 98, then 74, then 63, then 58, then 59. So your AC is continuously falling. Your AC is continuously falling. Okay. What is the first value of AC? 160. Then it is 98. Then it is 74. Then it is 63. Then it is 58. And then it starts increasing. In the 6th unit onwards, again it starts increasing. From 58, it becomes 59. So, first it is increasing and then it is decreasing. So AC curve will also be what shape? U shape. We are going to draw AC curve now. Okay, now you see AC, I will take a gap of 10 10. Is it clear? So when it is 0, first output it is 160. Okay, we have to put in 160. So I will take the gap of 20. 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. This is your y-axis. Okay? So at first it is 160. So at first we will go till 160. This is the first note. At second it is 98. At second it is 98. Somewhere here. This is your second note. At third it is 74. At third it is 74. Somewhere here. At fourth it is 63. At fourth it is 63. At fifth it is 58. At fifth it is 58. This. And at sixth it is 59. Start rising. This. Now you see the shape of this. This is your AC. This is the shape of your AC. So AC is, it goes like this. From here, this is the shape of your AC. U-shaped. So AC is also U-shaped. Is it clear to all of you? This is the shape of your AC. So all of you have to draw the schedule and diagram. Let me give you the explanation of the schedule. Now if you want explanation, you are going to write in the schedule. In the schedule it is very much clear that initially AC is decreasing and then it also starts increasing. Okay? So it is following the shape of average variable cost. You know why it is following the shape of average variable cost? Because fixed cost remains fixed. Is it clear to all of you? So write down now the behavior of AC curve. All of you write down from the above table. From the above table, it is clear that average cost decreases with increase in the level of output up to fifth unit. It is clear from the above schedule that average cost decreases with the increase in the level of output up to fifth unit, and then from sixth unit onwards average cost start increasing. Full stop. This much you people are going to write about schedule, and this only is the schedule. Till fifth unit it is decreasing with the increase in the level of output, and from sixth unit onwards average cost start increasing with the increase in the level of output. Full stop. Then what will be the shape of AC? That we need to write. Now change the paragraph. Then write from the above diagram. It is clear that average cost curve is sloping downwards initially, and then later it starts sloping upwards, and then later it starts sloping upward, and hence we got U-shaped average cost curve, and hence we got U-shaped average cost curve. Full stop. Okay, now, so we have completed average cost also. We are doing behavior of cost in the short run. In that I have explained to you TC, TFC and TDC. Just now I have completed AFC, ABC and AC. just now I completed your AC. Now one more question I have done in case of AVC. The why is AVC is U-shaped, and I gave you the answer. Now suppose if the question, sometimes they also ask about AC, that why is AC is U-shaped, answer will be the same of AVC. Only in place of AVC you will write AC. Only in place of ABC, what you will write? You will write AC. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay. Next, the last one we need to do, that is called marginal cost. So all of you write on the heading marginal cost. Children, marginal cost I will do in the next video, because this video already become of 30 minutes, so it will be too long, it will be difficult to download. So I'll end it here and then I'll make another video of marginal cost. Is it clear? Thank you, children.